I'm very happy to be back in the winning column. Kudos to Adam for another tough match. It's my second 3-setter in 2 days, but it was definitely competitive and definitely one for the history books. I think I remember this one.
Adam had you from side to side. What have you been doing? You're working in some secret, you know?
Well, definitely a little more conditioned this time around. And of course, Adam is one of those players, so I always expected this to be a grueling one. But in the key moments, I think I came out with some key points, and it was a good one.
I mean, head to head, he has it. I mean, I beat him most recently in another match, but I don't know if that counts. I mean, this is where it really counts.
Right.
But I mean, it was up and down, up and down. I mean, I won the first set with the momentum, 6-4. He came back and won the second, 6-4, or gave me back the 6-4. And then we're back and forth in the third set. He's always a tough player to play. I mean, I've been trying to improve. I think I've improved. I think I gave him a great fight.